Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I'll show you how to add a gradient background in Canva. So let's say this is your new project and you want this white background to be a gradient one. What you want to do is go to Elements and then just search for gradient. Then you can just choose whatever you like. For example, I'm going to graphics and then just take this one. And then I'll apply it in the corner and then just drag it from there all the way to the bottom like this. So this is your gradient background. Of course, you can change the colors of it in the upper left corner. Here you can see it. Let's choose the first color. So the blue, let's say I want it to be green. And the second one, I want it to be yellow, like this. Very nice. And of course, you can flip it horizontal, and it just turns around. Flip vertical doesn't do anything. But you can, for example, here, just move it until you have 90 degrees. And now the gradient goes from the top to the bottom. Okay, that was a little hack on how to add a gradient background in Canva. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.